Hi everyone, welcome to our class. This is Kiran Kumar. In this session, we are going to know odd sounds among of three words. If this is the first time that you are watching my channel, I request you to subscribe it. Press bell icon to get more notifications and updates every time. Let's enter our session. In this session, we are going to know about odd sounds. To answer this question, we have to know the vowel sounds and consonant sounds very clearly. In our previous session, we learned those 44 sounds under phonetic transcription. It is a choice question along with phonetic transcription. You can answer any one of these two questions. Right, let's enter the lesson. Look at the thing, odd sounds. Find the word which is different from the other words in the group. If you find there are three words in each set there are three words. In these three words, a particular letter is underlined. We have to understand what kind of sound it is going to be produced. Among of these three words, one sound is different from the other words. Then we have to pick it out and write it out. ఇక్కడ మూడు పదాలు ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. ప్రతి సెట్లోనూ కూడా మూడు పదాలు ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. ప్రతి పదంలోనూ కూడా ఒకే అక్షరం ఇక్కడ అండర్లైన్ చేయటం జరిగింది. ఆ అక్షరం యొక్క శబ్దం ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది అనే దాన్ని మనం గమనించాలి. ఈ మూడింటిలోనూ ఒకే అక్షరం అండర్లైన్ చేయబడిందని మనం గమనించాము. మిగిలినటువంటి రెండు పదాల కంటే ఒక పదంలో ఉన్న ఆ సౌండ్ డిఫరెంట్గా ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయబడుతుంది. రెండు పదాల యొక్క శబ్దాలు మాత్రం ఒకేలా ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయబడతాయి. ఆ డిఫరెంట్గా పలికినటువంటి సౌండ్ యొక్క వర్డ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని మనము నోట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. అందుకే దీన్ని ఆడ్ సౌండ్స్ అని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ వెరీ ఈజీ టాపిక్ టు అస్. రైట్, లుక్ ఎట్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్. Author, capture, rapture. Here A is underlined. A is underlined. Here it produces A. It, yeah. It is about yeah. Author, capture, rapture. These two words are same. It is different, so it is odd man out. Next, second one. Food, look, book. Here double O is underlined. It produces look, U. It produces book, U. But it produces long U sound, not food. Food, food. It produces long U sound, so it is different one. Third one. Old, old, odd. In these three words, the letter O is underlined. It is O. It is also O, but it is A. Here, the letter O is pronounced as A, odd. So, it is odd man out. Next, fourth one. Rosy, lay, relay. In both these three words, the letter Y is underlined. Here Y is pronounced as E, rosy, E. Here lay, A. Here relay, A. These two are same and it is a different one. Rosy. Coming to the fifth one. Laughter, daughter, cough. Observe the underlined letters GH, GH, GH. Laughter, fa. Daughter, a. Cough, fa. Here laughter and cough are produced in the same manner, but daughter is different from the two, so it is odd man out. daughter. Here GH is pronounced as A. Next, sixth one, cheap, chain, cures. Cheap, chain, cures. Observe here letters CH are underlined. It gives sound cha, it gives sound as cha, but here CH gives sound as cures, cure, ka, cha, cha, ka. So it is different one. Next, seventh one, dread, break, bread. Here the same letters are underlined. EA, EA, EA. Dread, A, bread, A. But break, longer A sound. So it is odd man out. It is odd man out. Eighth one, Hughes, honor, hungry. Hughes, honor, hungry. Here H is silent. Here ha, here also ha, but here H is silent and the sound is produced like honor, honor, not honor, honor. So it is odd man out. ఇక్కడ హ్యూగ్ హా వచ్చింది, హంగ్రీ హా వచ్చింది, బట్ ఇక్కడ హెచ్ సైలెంట్ అయ్యి ఆన్ వచ్చింది, ఆనర్. నైన్త్ వన్, దిస్, థరో, థిన్. హియర్ టీహెచ్, letters TH are underlined. This TH is pronounced as the. Thorough TH is pronounced as tha. Thin TH is pronounced as tha. So tha, tha, these two are same. It is odd man out. This, the, odd man out. Next, kite, no, knife. We know here the letter K is silent and here also the letter K is silent. So these two are same, no, knife. Here the letter K is not silent, so it is odd man out. Kite, ka, no, the letter K is silent. Knife, the letter K is silent. So the odd man one is kite. Come to the next one, 11th one. University, universal, understand. In these three words, the letter U is underlined. Here it is university, U. Here also universal, U. But here U is pronounced as A, understand. So these two are same and it is odd man out. Understand, understand. Come to the next one. Pile, pill, pile, pill, pin. Here the same letter I is underlined. Here it produces I. The letter I is pronounced as I. Pill, the letter I is pronounced as E. Pin, the letter I is pronounced as E. So it is odd man out. Pile, pill, pin, these two are underlined and these two are pronounced as E. We just focus on the underlined letter and observe what kind of sound that it is produced. What kind of sound that it produces. కేవలం మనము ఆ పదాలలో అండర్లైన్ చేయబడినటువంటి ఆ అక్షరాలనే గమనించి అవి ఎలాంటి శబ్దాలను ఇస్తున్నాయి అనే దాన్ని మనం అర్థం చేసుకున్నట్లయితే ఆ ఆడ్ సౌండ్ ఏదనేది మనము స్పష్టంగా తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. 13th one, orange, orator, own. Here the same letter O is underlined. Here O is pronounced as A, orange. Orator, here also O is pronounced as A, orator. But here own, O is pronounced as O. So it is odd man out. These two are same. Orange, orator, A, A. Come to the 14th one. Leather, truth, father. observe the same letters TH are underlined, but here it is leather. TH is pronounced as the. Truth, TH is pronounced as tha. Father, TH is pronounced as the. Leather, the. Father, the. These two are same, but truth is different from the other two. Odd man is truth. Next, shop, success, surgeon. The same letter S is underlined in these three words, but here sa is pronounced as sha. Shop, sha. Here S is pronounced as sa. Here also S is pronounced as sa. So these two are same and it is odd man out. Sha, sa, sa. Come to the next one. Debut, sachet, yacht. In these three words, the same letter T is underlined, but here T is silent, and in this word also T is silent, but here the letter T is not silent. We pronounce T particularly here, yacht. So these two are same because T, the letter T is, the sound T is not pronounced in both the words, so yacht is odd man out. Debut, T silent, sachet, T silent, yacht lo T అనేది silent కాదు కాబట్టి అది different one. Next, weather, feather, cheater. If we observe, the same letters E, A are underlined in both these three words, but here E, A as pronounced as A, feather, E, A pronounced as A, but cheater, E, A is pronounced as E. So these two are same, it is odd man out. Weather, feather, cheater, cheater, E, A is pronounced as E. Next, stage, age, being. In these three words, the letter G is underlined. Here the sound as ja. Here also the sound is as ja, but here the letter G is pronounced as ga, being. So it is odd man out. These two are same. Next, polite, politics, polyester. Polite, O is pronounced as O. Politics, O is pronounced as A. Polyester, O is pronounced as A. So the odd man out is polite. Politics, polyester. In these two words, the letter O is pronounced as A. Here O is pronounced as O. So the odd man out is polite. The odd man one is polite. Come to the last one. Thief, diet, brief. If you observe, in these three words, letters I, E are underlined. I, E are underlined. Thief, here I, E is pronounced as E. Diet, here I, E is pronounced as I. Brief, here I, E is pronounced as E. First one and third one are same. Second one is different one. So it is odd man out. In this way, this topic can be done if we know the pronunciation in a particular way and if we know the sounds of those words in a particular way. Please watch this lesson carefully. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet with another item in the next session.